Welcome to Distrita TV. Now we will bring you Unboxing Mania, a program that unboxes stuff. Today Michael and Trond reveal something nice that was sent from Retro Ready to Amitopia Amiga magazine. Enjoy the program.
Okay, welcome to this unboxing. I have got a package from UK, the Brexit land, the land of Brexits. And here is the package, and it's gone through custom declaration even. But it's really light. So let's try to open it. Do you have a scissor? Can the filmmaker give me a scissor? Scissor? And now you are cutting through the holy grail of what this is. I know probably what it is. I don't think it's a huge thing, because this is a company, I think it's from Retro One, the new sponsor of Amiga. It is an adapter for the Amiga. Wow. See here, it's a compact flash IDE to compact flash adapter that he wanted me to review. So we will of course review it. Cut it loose. This is a neat little product. You put the compact flash inside here. Okay. It's CE certified, so it's nice. So you put the compact flash mem card there. Yeah, then you have a compact flash memory card as a hard drive. So it's really, really interesting. So yeah, so this is the unboxing of this adapter. Thanks to Retro Ready for sending it to me, and it will you will see a review of it on amitopia.com very soon.